Hi, I'm John Everett with Zurn Industries. Today I'd like to introduce you to a product extension that we're very excited about, and that's the Z-Bite and Z-Press fittings from Zurn Wilkins. These fittings are going to come as two different varieties. We have them as tail pieces for use on our regulators, our thermostatic mixing valves, basically as a union connection. And we also have the Z-Press and Z-Bite as adapters. Now the purpose of these fittings, they're solderless. That's the whole nature of them. They're going to be great for the production plumber or even the do-it-yourselfer that doesn't have those soldering skills like a plumber may have. And in the case of a production plumber where they're doing things very rapidly, really putting out a lot of material, it will aid in attaching pipe to valves and make it very quick for them. So in the case of these two fittings, I'm going to start with the Z-Bite fitting. This particular fitting here is set up as a tailpiece to go on the regulator or on a thermostatic mixing valve, for example. It's designed such that when the pipe slips inside, there's a series of teeth that will grab a hold of the pipe and hold it in place. Further, there's an O-ring seal that seals against the pipe, and that's what makes it watertight. So all one has to do with their pipe, and this pipe can be copper, it can be CPVC, or PEX. In the case of the copper, once we cut it, we're going to want to deburr the end of it so that we don't damage the O-ring inside. And frankly, all we have to do is slip it into the fitting, push it in tight. Now these teeth that I describe inside, they'll allow that piece of pipe to slide in, but they bite into the pipe and prevent it from pulling back out. So once again, the Z-Bite and the Z-Press fittings are a solderless way to attach the pipe to the valve itself. In the case of the Z-Press fitting, it, like the Z-Bite, also has an O-ring seal internally. And what we do in that case is we go ahead and we push the pipe into place. And when we do, we're going to use a commercially available crimping tool to go ahead and crimp that fitting onto the pipe. So again, these are solderless fittings. We don't have to cut, thread, anything like that. We don't have to solder. We're not using a torch. Once again, they're going to be excellent for the production plumber or for the do-it-yourselfer that doesn't have those soldering skills. Now, as I described earlier, we're going to make these two ways for you. We'll do them as a tailpiece, so we can attach them directly to a pressure-reducing valve, thermostatic mixing valve, etc. Or we're going to offer them also as adapters so that they can be used with our small diameter backflow. As far as sizes go, we intend on making the Z-Bite in sizes 1/2 inch through 1 inch. And with the Z-Press, we're going to do 1/2 inch through 2 inch. So it's a relatively quick way to put the valve into service without having to do that soldering or any kind of pipe threading out in the field. Now, if you have any questions about these, I strongly encourage you to give us a call here at Zurn Wilkins, or you can go to zurn.com and we'll have information posted on there that will tell you all about these fittings. But once again, we're very excited about them. We think they're going to be an excellent way to speed up the installation of any product out in the field. Just a foolproof way to attach the pipe without having to do any soldering.
Thank you for watching. For more information, please subscribe to our One Zurn YouTube channel. Call our customer care center at 1-855-1-ZURN and visit us at zurn.com.